On Election Day, Iowa voters will decide whether Supreme Court Justice David May keeps his job. A Local 5's Alex Fulton is in studio to break down what a retention election is and why some are trying to oust the justice. Alex.
Stephanie, this retention election will be Justice David May's first as he finished the latter half of Justice Brent Appel's term. Justice David May first served as a district judge in the 5th Judicial District from 2016 to 2019. He was then appointed to the Iowa Court of Appeals by Governor Kim Reynolds, a position he held up until 2022. When Justice Brent Appel reached retirement age that year, Governor Reynolds appointed him to serve on the Iowa Supreme Court. On the ballot, voters will be asked if Justice May should be retained in office. A vote yes means the justice will serve a full 8-year term, and a vote no means he will be removed from office at the end of the year. The Iowa Judicial Branch says these retention elections are about professional competence. They shouldn't necessarily be about whether voters agree with the justice's previous rulings. However, some activists are encouraging others to vote no on the justice's retention because he was one of the justices that allowed the 6-week abortion ban to take effect. So what happens if Justice May gets a majority of no votes? It will then be up to Governor Reynolds to select a replacement after a 17-member panel creates a short list of finalists for her to review. Now, if Justice May is removed from his position, it wouldn't necessarily be unprecedented. 3 justices were all voted off the bench in 2010 after they voted to legalize same-sex marriage in the state. Stephanie?